Hi. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of jump into this because I'm already sort of mid-project. We're redoing the sink, faucet, and an undermount thing for our water purifier, our alkaline water and filters. There's the existing with all the water thing attached to it. And I have to try to figure out now what I need to get under there. We gotta get out those black things and the main hose thing. So I'm gonna get busy trying to do this and see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'm so excited I got it out. It took a little bit. I had to like hammer the little black things. These little things, they're really gross. I had to like hammer them out under there because I could not twist them. All right, I'm gonna get this cleaned up and start installing the new things. I'm so excited right now. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. Okay, so I am just trying to get in here and tighten these last screws to tighten the faucet back in there. This is all tightened in now, so it's good solid, not going anywhere. So this still pivots, so I can still pivot it around. Now I need to move on to getting everything retrofitted for the water system, because that's the next big ruggamaroo. So let's start working on that. Cut the cords from the sink, from the old faucet, and now I've got to start moving things down here. The only thing that like I'm a little unsure of is how to hook up, because the directions that I got with it do not include the big filters in the back. So I'm not entirely sure how to do that. So it's gonna be an interesting little game to figure this out. Tricky because it's stuff I've never done before. Okay. everywhere, everywhere. Oh my gosh, where is it going? Where is it coming out? Oh no. Okay, I need to turn this on really low and see where it's leaking. I don't know. Oh, it's leaking right there. Okay. Is it leaking anywhere else? Okay, crisis averted. So what happened is I didn't insert the pipes into all the fittings far enough. So now should be good to stand this thing up and keep it stood up. And then that should be like everything, I think. Let's see. Is the light turn on? Nope, I hear water dripping. No? No, it's not dripping. But it's not turning on either. There's just no power. Now I get to figure out why there's no power. Okay, I called the company. So it wasn't anything actually that I did wrong. The outlet that's under here is set on a switch for the disposal, but the entire outlet is switched. So that's why it wasn't turning on. I was like, why isn't it turning on? It's supposed to be on. Getting very frustrated with it. That's why. It's not my fault. So when Subi gets home today, his electrical skills will come in handy. He'll rewire that up. It's on. The machine is on. You can see the light there. And the filters are in the back. And then when I turn it on, you can see like on the front of this, it has that little blue light. So that when it washes, it'll turn red and it'll turn acid, so you know that it's acid. But look at it. I can turn it on. It has the wastewater and there's drinking water. It's so exciting, guys. I'm so excited. Call me crazy.